The German World War II heavy cruiser, Prinz Eugen, that fought alongside the Bismarck, survived 2 atomic bomb tests and is capsized in an atoll in the Marshall Islands in the Pacific Ocean. It was also commissioned into the U.S. Navy. About Norman Kwong, the first Chinese-Canadian to play in the CFL. During his career, he won 4 Grey Cups and set a record for single-season rushing yards by a Canadian player. After he retired, he co-owned the Calgary Flames in the NHL and later was appointed Lieutenant Governor of Alberta. Hugo Junkers, the founder of Junkers Aircraft and Motor Works that manufactured many of Germany's World War II bombers, opposed German rearmament. The Nazis seized his patents and company, threatened him with treason, and placed him under house arrest. Hulu removed a Golden Girls episode in 2020 after a scene where Blanche and Rose, wearing mud masks, joke, "We're not black," during a plot about Dorothy's son marrying a black woman. Though not blackface, the scene was misinterpreted. The episode was restored in 2023 after a review of context. Of Israel Epstein, a Jewish Polish-Chinese journalist who gained intimate access to Mao Zedong's inner circle and was one of the few foreigners to gain Chinese citizenship. The Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was inspired by the rivalry between candy makers Cadbury and Rowntree's during Roald Dahl's childhood. Both sent spies to each other to steal trade secrets and eventually became highly protective of their respective chocolate-making processes. That Mammoth Cave was used as the site of an experimental hospital to treat tuberculosis. 16 patients lived in darkness in buildings constructed underground. 5 patients died, and the experiment was ended within 5 months. About Terra Australis, a hypothetical continent proposed in antiquity and appearing on maps from the 15th to 18th centuries. Based on the idea of balancing northern lands with southern ones, it shrank as explorations occurred. The name Australia stems from this centuries-old geographical myth.